guys, and welcome back to Shelly's Homemade. And today we're going to be making some Philly cheesesteak sliders. Yes, Philly cheesesteak sliders. Now you know it's football season. Football season is among us, and we must have what? Appetizers, game day food, all of that good stuff. And guess what, guys? We're making it today. Alright, we're going to need some mayonnaise. We're going to need some Hawaiian rolls. I have 24 rolls here. I have one large onion, half of a orange bell pepper, a half of a green one, a half of a red one. I have some mushrooms here. Now I don't have many because my husband doesn't like mushrooms, but you know I'm just gonna put it on my side. All right, so we have some minced garlic here. We have some ribeye, finely sliced ribeye steak here. Alright, we got that mayonnaise, we got Shelly's house seasoning, salt, pepper, seasoned garlic, onion powder. That's right. So now, I get hyped because game is gonna be game day. Alright, so, you know, Sunday night football, Monday night football, Thursday night football. Oh, my husband is a Raven fan, I'm a Steeler fan, so you know it'll be going down in the house. Alright, in the comment section, let me know what y'all favorite team is. How y'all like it? What's y'all football? Or do you even watch football? Or y'all gonna make these sliders? Let me know something in the comment section. Have a comment. Come have a conversation with me. I love conversations. Alright, guys. So, we're gonna move over to the stove because we're gonna saute up some veggies. And then we're gonna get our steak in. Well, we're gonna add some minced garlic. And then we're gonna add our steak. And then I'm going to show y'all guys what to do next. Alright guys, now we're back to saute up some good old veggies, guys. Let's get it all in here. Sweat it all down. Our veggies are good. Sweat. Got them onions and I got everything chopped. I got a rough chop on it. Those mushrooms gonna shrink down. It's gonna be delicious. As my girl Pam say over at Pam's Place, go check out her videos, guys. She got a lot of shorts going on right now. And in every video, she's saying the word delicious. So she's like, delicious! Alright. Now, let's add some Shelly's house seasoning to this. You know, not much. Because we're going to season at every level on this. Because when we get those steaks in there, we're going to season those up as well. Let's get some minced garlic in here. I'm going to use that in the juice as well. Why not? Look at this. It smells wonderful in here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this sweat down. Then when we come back, we're going to add that steak. Add that steak, guys. Okay. Now that we can sweat this really good, let's add our beef to this, our steak. Add that steak in there with this. Oh, this good flavor. Smells amazing before I stick the steak in here. So, look at that beautiful steak. Look at that. I like to, I don't know, pull it apart and get it in there. Already. Get it. Look at that. See, I got this. I'm so glad that I did that. And I got the pack freshener on there. Look at that. So beautiful, guys. Mm-mm-mm. Look at this beautiful steak. Add some house seasoning, some more Shelly's house seasoning. Look at that. Alright, we're going to cook this up and we'll come back. Y'all going to see. Now look how beautiful this has gotten. Oh, looks amazing. Now we're going to move over and get that bread ready. Okay, guys? Let's move over to the counter and get that bread ready, because this is ready to go. It's ready to go. So now we got to prep our bread. So we're going to turn this down on low so it can just cook and just stay nice and hot. Now I have my oven preheated on 350 degrees so we can melt the cheese. If I didn't mention before, we got provolone cheese, guys. Provolone. Alright, so let's move over to the counter. So now, I have my Hawaiian rolls here. We're going to take them out. Pack. And don't throw this away, because we're going to put this right back in. I'm going to put it right back in. So, don't worry about cleanup, because this is going to do it for you. You just, once you're done, everybody grab their little heavens out of there. Now get you a serrated knife. This is what you're going to need. Find the middle. Find the middle. It's like, it's now, for all my bakers out there, now you know what I mean. When you cutting the cake and you even it out, or you slicing it to make more than one layer, you find the middle. Hold this up here, so the middle would be here. And you find that indent. And then you just slice. Go in there. Alright? Because this bread is larger than the other one. Let's see. Now, I'm sorry if I'm in front of the camera, guys, but I'm trying to. Alright, you know what? Let's move the bread. I didn't want to move it. Alright. There we go. Because then I couldn't see what I was doing. Get your hand on top there ever so gently. Ever so gently. There we go. Got our bread. Bring back our box. Well, that's alright. Doesn't even matter. You get it right back in there. Alright? So I wanted it so I can just lift this right off, but it's okay. When y'all doing this, I'm sure y'all gonna do a better job than I just did cutting this thing, because I really couldn't see it. Alright. There it is. There it is. Boom. Boom. Alright. And get your mayonnaise. Just spread down. Now, if you got some other type of sauce you like to use, that's fine too. This is a half a cup of mayo. Put as much or as little as you would like. I like to show, like, if I make a mistake, I like to show my mistakes too, so that you guys don't make the same mistake I did and just get it in there a little bit better than I did. I say, my mom used to say that to me all the time. She would say, learn from my mistakes. Don't do as I did. Just learn from my mistakes. And she would say that to me all the time, often. It would irritate my soul. But it was okay, because now that I'm grown, I know what she meant. Alright. So like I said, my husband doesn't eat mushrooms, so I'm going to put the mushrooms at this end. Look at that. That is beautiful, guys. And we're putting it right back in the same pan. Don't worry about it. It's all good. Get it on there. Now, you can put more mayonnaise on the top if you like. It's not necessary for me because I'm ready to put a whole bunch of cheese on here. You know what? Too much stretching. Like, Shelly, you should have been did that. Alright. Tell me that's not beautiful. Alright, so we have our butter here. Let's get some parsley in there. Alright, so about a tablespoon of parsley. Let's get this garlic in here. This minced garlic. You can use fresh if you have it. I have the jarred one. So let's use a good nice teaspoon of that, a heaping teaspoon. My mom used to say that, a heaping teaspoon. There it is. There you have it. And let's pull this back down. And just take teaspoon, all that goodness on each and every one. So this was like 3 tablespoons of butter, almost a half a stick, and just get it down on there. You know, no rhyme, reason, or wonder. Put it on there. And it was just enough. It was just enough. And we just get this right into our oven on 350 degrees for about 10 to 15 minutes, just until the cheese melt and the top is a little golden brown or whatever. And when we come back, we're gonna give it a taste. So it is out of the oven, looking fantastic. I don't know where I want to grab from. Let's go over here. This is closest to me. Oh, it's piping hot. Oh. Oh, cheese pull. Look at that. Oh. Mm. I'm so good. It's gonna be good for your whatever sport. If you watching basketball, football, baseball, golf, soccer, football, whatever your sport is, lacrosse, and if you watching, this is gonna be a winner. I might not even think about the game no more after eating one of these. This thing is like love in a sandwich. Alright guys, like, share, and subscribe, and as always, have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Oh, I'll eat that thing.